Clip to save, you will be amazed. With couponing Crystle.
Lovely people, Couponing Crystle here with my CVS haul for this week, August the 12th through the 18th. I got some good deals. Let me show you guys what I got. I did the Colgate Spend 10 and Get 5, and what it is valid on. It is valid on the Colgate singles, any Colgate total singles, okay? It also applied to the mouthwash in my store because the mouthwash was tagged. Now, for the newbies, if I'm trying to spend 10, in order for my extra buck to generate, I need to get within 98% of the $10. So just do $10 times 98%, and it's going to tell you $9.80 is the total that I need to come to. So I'm trying to find a mouthwash and a toothpaste that gets as close to $9.80 as possible, so to generate my extra buck so I don't go over $10, because I want to spend the least amount out of pocket as possible, okay? My mouthwash was $5.59. This is the one that I got. It is the Total Gum Health Colgate. Never tried this one before. This is the Clean Mint. It's a 16.9 ounce and it is a 500 milliliter. I used a $1 off Colgate mouthwash coupons.com coupon that was valid on at least a 400 milliliter. Okay. I also had a $1 off a 5 mouthwash. This was priced for $5.59, so that CRT qualified for that. Then I did the Colgate Advanced Whitening. This is a 4-ounce toothpaste and it is the total, okay? So that was priced at $4.39. The mouthwash and the toothpaste together came to $9.98. Took off the dollar CRT, the dollar coupons.coupon for the mouthwash and $1 for the toothpaste, brought my price down to $6.98. So I had to pay $6.98 in the store, but then I got back the $5 extra buck, making my cost out of pocket be $1.98, which is basically 99 cents each. All right, the next deal that I did, lovely people, was on the soft soap, okay? The soft soap, let me turn it around so you can see. I decided to get the luminous oil, okay? This one is the coconut oil and lavender. This is a 15 ounce. This is a little smaller than the pomegranate, okay? But I like the way they smell. This one is the macadamia oil and peony, the pink one, okay? So I got 2 of these. These were priced at 2 for $7. You are going to buy 2 and you get a $4 extra buck. So they were 2 for $7. I used 2 75-cent off coupons.com coupons, taking off $1.50, making my cost that I pay in the store $5.50, but then I turn around and get my $4 extra buck back, making my cost be $1.50 for the 2. 75-cent body wash. Stock up price right there, okay? The last deal that I did, extra buck deal that is, was on the Dial, okay? Now, the Dial, I wanted to read it to you because it is not limited to just the hand soap. Here it is right here, this particular deal, all right? It is a buy 3 and get 4. Now that covers the body wash, 16 ounce, 32 ounce hand wash, the 7.5 ounce, or, meaning the hand soaps, or the bar soap 2 to 6 pack, okay? Now, this was a sweet deal to me, lovely people, because I love the foam and hand soaps. I love Bath and Body foam and hand soap, and I love the anytime I can find the hand soaps with the foam, because to me, it tends to last longer, okay? So All right, my store, these were priced at $3.49, but the great thing, they are buy one and get one half price. Now, some were $3.49 and some were $3.59. I think it just depended on the scent in my store. So I got one for $3.49, one at half price at $1.75, or it might have rang up at $1.74. Let's see, $1.74. $3.49, $1.74, $3.49, because I had to purchase 3. Didn't have any coupons, lovely people, but guess what? On the product were 50-cent Use Me Now coupon. So guess what I did? I used them. Now, on the coupon, it did say a limit of 1 light coupon. So I did obey the rule and I only used 2 coupons. So the 3 of these together was $8.73. I took off the 2 50-cent coupons, making my cost in store $7.73 for the 3. And then I got back the $4 extra buck, making it be $3.73 or $1.24 each. I think that's a good deal for the Dial hand soap 2-in-1. And this is the antibacterial. Okie doke. Good deal to me. Last but not least was the Mitchum deodorant. There is not an extra buck deal on this deodorant. However, because it was priced at $2.99, I had the $1 insert coupon that was in this Sunday's paper. Plus, I had a $1 off Mitchum deodorant CRT. Plus, what was the other thing I had? Then I had a $1 off CRT for deodorant. But let me tell you what CVS did. It reduced down my $1 off Mitchum deodorant CRT. It reduced it down to 22 cents. I guess it didn't like the fact that I was getting it for free. Okay, so it reduced my CRT down to 22 cents. I did have a $3 extra buck, $3 beauty buck included in the deal. So I don't know if the beauty buck did it. Who knows? I don't know, but at any rate, I disputed it this time, lovely people. Yes, I did. I disputed it this time, and I said, you know what? I started to leave, had my chair bare. My grandbaby, she was strapped on the front of me, and I thought about the thing. I said, no, I'm going to dispute it this time because I want to see if they can give me an answer as to why it done that. They really couldn't give me an answer, but what they did actually issue me a $1 extra buck, so I didn't lose the change. It's change. But it's the principle of the thing, because guess what? This is not my deodorant of choice, okay? This is probably going to be given to somebody, and if I'm getting it for free, I want it for free. I really don't want to pay for it. It's not my deodorant. Okay, so with all that being said, I did roll $17 in extra bucks, okay? So my subtotal was $3.97. And then I got back $4 for the soft soap, $4 for the Dial hand soap, and then $5 back for the Colgate deal, which makes me get back $13. So I spent $17, but I got back $13. And this is the stuff that I wanted. So if you're going to roll extra bucks, lovely people, at least do it for stuff that you want, okay? Don't just be rolling extra bucks, just be rolling extra bucks, okay? Do it on products that you're actually going to use, that you actually want and you want to try, okay? So I think it was a great deal. I think CVS has some awesome deals this week. I'm probably going to go back. I really thought about doing this particular deal right here, this spend 15 and get 5 on those P&G products, okay? This is really an awesome deal. However, my store was out of the laundry products. So because it was out of the laundry products, I didn't do it. I said, not gonna do it. I may go back and do the Wet n Wild, even though the Wet n Wild coupons expired, but because of my CRTs, and I did not shop on Sunday, guys, what was I thinking about? That's the reason why I didn't do some deals Saturday, because I had my CRTs that didn't expire until the 12th, which was Sunday. And I forgot. I went to dinner with my husband and we went to the movies, and I forgot all about it, guys. So unfortunately, I didn't get to do it, and I lost my extra bucks. So I let them expire. I hate that. And you know what? Another thing I forgot to do was the free trolley candy. I need to make sure that I do that. This is a very, very, very simple newbie extra buck CVS deal. Make sure that you do this, where you purchase the trolley candy for $2, you buy one and you get a $2 extra buck back. So that's very, very simple. If you want to start doing CVS, that's a very, very simple deal that you can do. Just go buy the trolley candy, pay your $2, get your $2 back in the form of an extra buck, and then you are on your way to rolling extra bucks. You don't need a lot of extra bucks to shop at CVS, because you can just do small, simple transactions and get your product. Okay. And I want to give 2 shouts out to my lovely people, Angel and Liz, for joining my Ibotta team. Thank you guys so much. I got my $5 and I'm sure you got your 10. If you guys are not familiar with Ibotta, Ibotta is a rebate app. So please look for my upcoming video showing you guys exactly step by step how to do Ibotta, because I've had several requests for that. So I'm working on that right now. Now, remember, clip to save. You will be amazed. Bye-bye. Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.